Good afternoon, class. How are you, Mr. Argueta? Welcome to Principles of Management. We will be working through our Principles of Management through the summer in an 8-week course. And essentially, what we're doing is we're going to be skipping some chapters. So please do not go to McGraw Hill directly. Always go to this page and work through what we have here. And that's why I kind of create this video, give you an understanding prior to first day of class. In this program that we're going to be working through, you'll be seeing my videos in the discussion. I'll show you where to find that. So here's what yours is going to look a little different, but essentially you go to gntc.edu, you log into Blackboard with your credentials, and then you will find your Principles of Management course. This is what it would look like, similar to this. Let me show you what the student view looks like. It should look similar to this, but for just kind of purposes to show you the overview, I'm going to use the instructor view. Here's what we have. We have on the left-hand side our tabs that we'll be using. I'm not going to go through all these details because some of these you do not have on your side of things, but these top ones you do. Homepage, syllabus, announcements, weekly discussions, and I'm going to say weekly assignments and discussions. You're going to be working on your weekly assignments. The assignments will be categorized week by week. So week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6, 7, and of course the final. So every week a folder will open up with whatever you have to do in that week's assignment. So week 1, I kind of give an overview of what you need to do. But week 1, you click on the folder and there is your syllabus. Your syllabus quiz this semester is going to be your discussion. So please note that you will be dropped from this class if you do not complete your discussion. I will drop you from the class. So make sure that you are doing your discussion. This week's discussion is pretty simple. Tell me about yourself. Let me know something. It's pretty easy. Tell me about any accomplishments that you have done, why you're in school. Tell me about the dream, what the dream is, what are you trying to accomplish with this education. And then, of course, your weekly chapter work. Chapter 1, here's what you have to do. If you want to go back, you can click on week 1, and chapter 2, here's what you have to complete. So for this week, just to make sure you understand, your weekly assignment will be whatever's under whatever's under week 1 folder, which in this case will be chapter 1 and chapter 2 plus your discussion. Inside of your discussion, you can create a thread, which will be your original post. You will then have to reply to 2 classmates and my weekly video. You will find my weekly video as a thread. In this case, it says Mr. Argueta's introduction. I introduce myself and tell you a little bit about myself. Hey guys, how are you? This is Mr. Argueta. You get the point. So basically, I introduce myself. I let you know who I am. You can watch it through YouTube. If you want to subscribe, you'll get an alert on when I put up a new video. If not, you can always find it in your week discussion. So week 2, I haven't set it up yet, but week 2 will be set up with the same structure. Your chapter work and your discussion. So very simple week, guys. It should be very simple. So let me tell you how to access the book. So when you click on one of these assignments, it's going to link you to the book, and then you can create an account and they'll give you 2 free weeks. After those 2 free weeks, you'll have to pay for the access to the Access book, or you can go to the bookstore or go online and buy the book online or buy the Access code online. A physical book is not required, but if you want to buy one, you can choose to do that through that Access here. For the most part, it's a pretty straightforward chapter, discussion, and so on. I want to make sure a couple things are noted. I do not accept late work. I do not go back. Please, if you unfortunately miss a chapter, move on. And make sure you are replying to 2 classmates and to my discussion to get full credit on your discussion post. I do not accept 1-sentence replies. Please give me content. I want to know that you're understanding the topics that we are discussing and that you're using professional business language to discuss that. That should cover it. We'll go week by week, guys. I do not work ahead and I do not accept late work. So if you have any questions, the best way to reach me is via email. I will send this through your school email just to give you a heads up on what to expect. And then day one is Monday, so make sure you're ready to go. You have 2 free weeks of access, so make sure that you are ready to pay for that. If you want to pay for it right away, you can, but the best way to link into the class is to go through the weekly assignments, click on week 1, click on chapter 1, and click on the assignment, and that will link your McGraw-Hill and your Blackboard to each other. So make sure you take that process day 1. It will not be available till Monday. So you will not be able to do any of this work till Monday. All right? That's it, guys. Looking forward to getting to know you. Looking forward to reading about your post and getting more information about you guys. Have a wonderful week. Take care. Make sure you do your part in staying healthy and helping those around you. Take care, guys. Have a wonderful day. See you later.